Gabby, well, where's your shoe? Karen's like, here it is.
Oh.
I gave it back to her. She's like, here, put it on my foot. Oh, too funny.
Here. Foot.
Gabby, get Kieran, chase him. Say ready, set, go.
Go.
Oh, gosh. It's honey.
Oh, what a beautiful day.
Yeah. Where y'all going? Gabby, hold Kieran's hand.
Kieran, hold Gabby's hand.
Look at her.
Oh my.
Okay, that's it. See if I can take a picture of that.